I caught the trailer after. And totoo no, deliberate yung pagpili mo na hindi siya love story. Nanay,
Yes.
ano ka naman, nanay bigla.
Oo.
Ay, mahirap nun.
Oo, very... At saka I love it kasi personally, gusto niyo pong sabihin natin? Sorry, wait, one second.
Ayun na. Thank you.
Okay. Sa'yo! Ako palang kakanta
Oo nga
siya.
eh. Akala ko ikaw yung kumanta. Parang
Akala ko
boses
din,
mo.
pero naisip ko, hindi naman ako nag-record.
Oo.
um, perfect tong role na to sa akin kasi nga, parang ako din, marami akong inaanak, marami akong pamangkin, pero I don't have, feeling ko wala akong motherly instinct. So, bumagay yung character. Yeah. I like kids. I love kids. Don't get me wrong. But I've never experienced like, taking care of a child talaga na yung nakatira sa bahay ko. Ganyan.
Even pamangkins, never ka lumaki with any...
Hindi eh. Wala talaga. So, ako kasing bunso eh. So, parang, yeah.
I hope you don't mind this question kasi you're a millennial, di ba?
Yes.
Nandun ka ba sa spectrum na dahil usong-uso ngayon? Are kids for you?
I thought baka hindi. Like before, I used to think na okay ako kahit wala. I always dreamt before of kung pagbibigyan ako, I would love to adopt a child one day. That was always in the back of my mind. Pero I also don't want to do that ng okay lang po kayo dyan. Ayoko din gawin yun ng ganito ako ka-busy. Kasi syempre, a child deserves your attention and your love and your care. So ayoko siyang gawin na ganito pa yung ang dami ko pang ginagawang trabaho. And mahal na mahal ko pa yung ginagawa ko right now. So, baka not soon.
So, nag-iiba rin pala. Kasi before sabi mo, ayaw, not on the horizon. Ngayon, parang, okay, not now.
Yeah,
That-
not now.
May inspiration ba tong life after you sa naging sharing mo na yan?
I think may ilang projects. May nakatrabaho din akong mga bata sa yung libro sa napanood ko sa Korea na ang babait, ang cute, ang tatalino. Tapos nakikita ko noon na kahit ang liliit nila, ang galing nila magtrabaho, mga Korean kids. So sabi ko, parang nakakatuwa din naman. I think doon nag-start. Like doon ko siya unang naisip. Kailan yun? Mga 2-3 years ago.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so nice.
Dahil kanina na-mention mo sa
Yes.
sa beginning ng Q&A, bago ka mag-umpisa dito sa project, so pinagdadaanan mo.
Yeah, a few things. Parang...
Nakatulong mo siya dito.
Hindi eh. I don't usually bring real experiences in my life to my projects. Parang, kasi kung gagawin namin yun bilang artista, hindi kami ever mag-heal. That's my personal process. I don't know how, other people do it. But I try to really just study the character. So, kaya nga sabi ko, baka it's a disservice if, I was feeling bad. Like, or mabigat yung pakiramdam ko, tapos papasok ako sa project. So, I wanted to feel good first before beginning sana. Kaya lang, life doesn't always work how we want it to. So,
Na-mention mo rin parang kanina naka-affect yung pinagdaanan mo na parang ayaw mo nang tumuloy sa pag ginagawa mo.
hindi ko naman din talaga siya bibitawan, pero kailangan kong humanap ng paraan nun na para maging okay ako or like, yun nga na, in a way siguro to start feeling better. But, yun, Inay and Direk Marla, the whole production, they were so helpful. Kasi I was also in and out of the hospital. Okay? It was starting to affect na my health. Parang I was so stressed out, I couldn't sleep. I started losing so much weight. Like I dropped to 48 kilos. Like it was starting to affect me now on a physical level. But everybody here was so kind. Like,
Ito ba ano yun?
several things, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm also not gonna tiptoe around it. But it was mostly work stuff. I was reading a lot of things and hearing a lot of things na I could have easily also refuted or spoken about. Kaya lang at that time I was also still part of the project. Parang I didn't want to do anything. And honestly, I lost my fight. Parang I felt like this is so unfair, so I didn't want to say anything.
Yun nga, you didn't want to say anything. Usually, you're so vocal about things.
I'm usually vocal
yun nga.
for other people. I'm vocal for people who don't have a voice. I'm vocal for situations that I find are, ayan na. And, ayan na ba? Charot.
Yeah.
Pero natawag na nila tayo. I speak up for people who can't speak up for themselves. So, siguro dahil nga yun, baka I always care for other people or I always look out for other people. Baka nung time na ako na yung mahina, naghihintay naman ako na somebody would help me in that moment. And a lot of people did in their own way. My support system supported me in their own way. So it might not be the way I do it. They don't have the same platform I do, or they're not as vocal as I am, but I got the support I needed.
And usually kasi dun sa project na yun, di ba, what's your process like as an actress? You still did it spectacularly.
Thank you.
But hindi
I
pala yun behind the scenes.
gave more than 1,000% in that project. I feel like everybody there also knew that. I was surprised that so many things came out, especially because I was still working on it. Like, I would still show up to set, and I was still there for 2 more weeks after that. So, I started feeling bad because I was thinking, like, who can I trust here? And, like, what's happening here? Because I was still talking to everybody, and people were also talking to me. There were names mentioned, and the names that were mentioned were also still my friends, and they still are my friends up to this day, and people reached out. So it was very confusing for me. And I started questioning everything I know about life, like who to trust, what to do, what to say, what I can't say. And I didn't treat this project differently from any of my projects. Yeah.
Was it because like it was happening in front of your face na wala ka namang ginawa talaga?
Yeah, and like I said kanina, everything's easily refutable. I have receipts. Even something as simple as always being late, I could have easily refuted that because I come on set sometimes earlier than the prod. So I was late once. Kinagat ako ng aso. So I had to go to the hospital, and they knew that. So parang ako lang, it's so unnerving that you can make up so many things, or you can read about yourself in such a different light. Na parang, wow, I started questioning myself, na did I do something wrong? So I started reaching out to the people that were mentioned. Did I do this to you? Did I ever say this? Did I make you feel this way? And everybody's like, no, we don't know where this is coming from. So,
But you're always so transparent, right?
Yun nga,
Even
kaya
with
nga
the
eh.
press. Like, ito ako ngayon, ito yung ayaw ko
Honestly,
pag-usapan, gusto ko pag-usapan, whatever.
exactly. And when you guys ask me stuff, I try to be as open as because I'm an open book, I don't really like hide skeletons in my closet. There's nothing for me to hide also. So
Bella, isa rin sa mention mo na rin yung mga pinagdaanan mo ito. Isa rin yung mainit. It's up to you kung gusto mo sabihin. Are you still friends with Kim?
I won't talk about it more. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you now, Bella?
A lot better. This movie really helped me. It was such a cathartic project for me, and also the play that I did. Both processes were very, very cathartic for me. I think they helped me learn a lot about myself and the people I worked with. Like, kasi I'm not gonna lie, napaso talaga ako. Like, I felt scared to even be on set again. It really affected me a lot. I had to see so many doctors, like I said, it was affecting me on a physical level. I felt like I couldn't defend myself. Every time something would die down, another thing would pop up. And I was like, where's this coming from na? Like, even things about my family would start coming out. And my family is very private. Like, in all my interviews, you never see pictures or videos of my parents or my siblings because they're private people. They don't work in our industry. So they really shy away from this. So I felt really bad that they got dragged into this. And
Feel like you were attacked in a way.
I'm not gonna lie, yes, I do. But wala, I can't do anything about it. I can't do
Pero
anything
tingin
about
mo,
it.
ano yung pinanggagalingan yung mga umakilak?
Last na po,
I don't know. I can only guess. Yeah. But I don't know.
Tapos nanggaling ka pa sa life mo sa London, tahimik. Di ba?
Yun nga ang tahimik ng buhay ko. And also the projects before that. What's sad about all of this, honestly, is I had so many good things going on while this was happening. Like I had a successful film, Special Memory, did really well. I was
You had your theater debut.
at my
Last-
theater